Yeah, so let's start from the weekly as usual. Yeah. Yeah, we have a break of structure to the downside here on the weekly. So anything you guys don't, maybe you guys don't agree with me, you can.
Of course.
Yeah, so we have a break of structure to the weekly here. So currently we are reacting to this guy. Yeah. Okay, we're not reacting to it yet. We have this supply here that is coming from this maybe this extreme, I guess. Something within this extreme zone here. Maybe we can see something inside here on the daily time frame. So we have this supply. Yeah, that's coming from this flip zone. Okay. Let me draw this. Ready? Also have this supply chain here. Yeah, this is what I'm seeing on the weekly. So do you guys see anything else on the weekly?
I take it as a bearish.
Yeah, on the weekly now we are bearish because now we have a break of strength to the downside. Now we are pulling back to create a new front leg here. So we have supply failure here on the weekly time frame. We have supply failure giving us this.
You mean demand?
This demand, right? So on the weekly time frame, we've taken out this ARL. Now we are pulling back. The daily time frame.
Yep.
We have this break. This break. Now we have this break to the upside. We have this supply. Reacted to the supply here. Push down. Giving us this demand chain. So now I think to me the daily is bullish. Now we switch bullish here after we have this break, and demand is also holding. So the other flow on the daily time frame now is bullish. Well, yeah, I was asking Param the last time. Would you see this as structural swing structural point here? This tiny pullback here. Or you'd just say this is the structural point, this, and this low. What do you think? Ja,
Oh,
are you
for
there?
me.
Yeah. Would you see this as a structural point, swing structural point here?
Since we're considering, because when you mentioned that since we broke this, we turned bullish, right? So I guess I would consider it that way.
Yeah, so we have this demand on the daily time frame. And on the 4-hour time frame, we have, just reduce this drawing. It's too big. I don't think we should have the weekly stuff here.
So can you go to Delhi? I want to say something.
Okay. Yeah.
So when see, this is a trend line thing right here.
Okay.
Yeah, so that's why this is not like pivot high like this. It's clearly trend line, or this could be liquidity. So that's why sometime in a structure point, I don't see these things like a structure. I see this as an inducement.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Apart from that, but what we can see on the daily now is we have demand holding, demand holding. So
Yeah,
what we can pick from the daily now is if we are going
yeah,
to
sure.
maybe derive our market direction, we can say demand is holding. So therefore, maybe the daily is bullish, just
Yeah,
to
of course.
get our market direction.
Wait, then let me ask
So
Param this again. So Param, how'd you mark up the structural points in this case then overall? Like the points.
So let's say what I mean to say like this. So this low goes, hold on. This low goes right here,
Mhm.
and this sweeps right here to the upside.
Okay.
And then this low goes here, and now I mark this as a high and this as a high. This is working right now. This is weekly pullback. This is weekly pullback to the upside after breaking the structure from the
yeah,
backside. Now this is a more a liquidity point. Now for here to come back like a structure, if we see, so this trend line I will see as a liquidity point.
Okay,
And
liquidity point.
yeah, oh, I more
yeah,
see the structure pivot points like this structure, not like this structure is a liquidity like this.
Okay. So there's a difference
Yeah,
between. Okay. Gotcha.
that's, I mean, okay. Yeah, so we can see demand is holding on the daily time frame. So the daily is bullish. Now on the 4 hour time frame.
see here, there is an example of that thing on the 4H. See this is a break,
Okay.
and this is a trend line. So it goes right here
Mhm.
like
Okay.
this.
Yeah, so on the 4 hour time frame, we are yet to mitigate this daily supply, but I think we are reacting to this CPB right here. We are reacting to the CPB. Okay. Where's the CPB? I don't think it's this one. Whatever. We are reacting to the CPB here. We are reacting to the CPB, and supply was holding from this point. Sorry, demand was holding. We have demand holding. Now we came back to mitigate this demand chain that was coming from the downside. So for me, the 4 hour time frame is still, the 4 hour order flow is still bullish. So we have the daily demand here that is yet to be mitigated. But within the daily leg, the 4 hour order flow is still giving us bullish price action here. So the 4 hour time frame is still bullish, in my opinion here. So now we are reacting to this demand chain here. So let's see what the 15 minutes is doing. Yeah. So the 15 minutes, we have the break. We have from this CPB, we respected the CPB. Came back here, we set this liquidity above this high. So I have to not change from this mitigation of this for our zone. Yeah. So now this is, I think this is Asia. We are almost at spread hours, so we don't trade this times. So let me just keep the price to the next day. About 6:15. Yeah, so can we look for 1 minute confirmation from this zone here? Since we are coming from this CPB, this 4-hour CPB, we have mitigation. Then we have another mitigation giving us the supply chain. Should we look for 1 minute confirmation, or we should just look for further confirmation, maybe shift on the 15-minute time frame? What do you guys think?
Yeah, this is a liquidity POI. We can see this is a liquidity POI.
Yeah, it's a liquidity PO. Yeah, we have a sweep here,
And-
then we have a big to
And
downside. So,
we have we still have daily demand to touch. We can see sell from here, I think.
okay, let's see. So we tapped into it during the share. We have 15-minute demand here. Something here. Reacted to that. It's really messy. Okay, let me just push it back down here. This is what we're reacting to right now. Slow this slow. So let's see if we can get mid confirmation here. We have to set the visibility every time.
Oh, I never used that before, huh? Okay.
Yeah, we tapped into this. We have a break to the upside here. We have a break here. Okay, don't care about this. We have a break here. We don't have any reaction yet. We have demand filling. Okay. Let's give a reaction, I think. Are reacting to here. Now we have this break here. Yeah, we can use this as a enticement, right? This break to the
Yeah.
downside.
Yeah, that's how I would see that. Yeah.
Let's see the reaction after the sweep. Okay, we're reacting to this now. Just respecting it. Let's see. Okay, we have the sweep. This is the POS. If we want to be aggressive with your POS, we can use this, but this is the most significant looking one. So
Yeah,
Jay,
right.
yeah, Ja, would you see this buy to sell weeks before the sweep as the LPOS, or this?
I would use the one
the one?
below, right? I don't know about other guys, but
Yeah, but the way Tricky does it, he always use this buy to sell weeks before the sweep. The
okay.
immediate buy to sell weeks. Well, it depends, you know. Okay, this one held, so I don't think we are that one has invalidated our trade idea. Yeah, now we have another break of strategy to the downside here. So we still have possible. That's true. We have reaction sweep. This is a reaction. This is a sweep up. The thing is,
Can you see the 15?
yeah, I don't like to use it this way. The reaction sweep entry model, I don't like to use it this way. If it's like the where it looks like chalk here. In this case, it looks like chalk. Change of character here. I like to use it when we have trending up. Then we have maybe supply failure, sorry, demand failure, supply holding. Then we have something like this, supply ready to control here. Then we have reaction to demand. Then we have the sweep of liquidity that we break. Now, it doesn't look like chalk here anymore. So, but maybe upon mitigating a 15-minute zone, I don't like using it like directly. It looks like a chalk here. A break up, a break down. So that's why I don't use it like that. Most of the time, I think it's always useful for confirmation, continuation entry. So I don't use it this way. So let's see. This might be our early enticement now. So we have a potential enticement here.
In this 1 minute, you would want to see that supply hold before you look for any shorts.
Yeah, and we also have this flip zone here. We have reaction to this demand before the failure. So we can also use this guy as early enticement. Sorry, we can also use it as a liquidity, structural liquidity. So we have two options for structural liquidity now. We have this guy or this extreme right here. So since we are looking for structural liquidity sweep before entry, so we have this one, this flip zone, and we also have this extreme.
Me personally, I'll be happy to wait for flow, and after the flow and the second break, after the second break, maybe I'll look for short.
Yeah, let's see if we can get the liquidity sweep first. Then we're going to, well, just respected this supply. This flips on here. We'll sweep this by 2 sell weeks, but it's not looking like a good structural point, so it's not that relevant. So we don't consider this. What about guys?
Can we see with 15 minutes?
We swept liquidity here, but it's not, it's not giving us the structure. It's not pulling back and giving us the structure and the sweep for possible continuation entry. It just swept this by 2 sell weeks. So for me personally, I want to consider this as a sweep. What do you think, Ampara?
Yeah, you are right. Our idea was here. This was our idea of trade. This was the enticement. It happened right here. After it did not give us the confirmation. Then it goes one time again and break the low, break these demands. Maybe it's building more liquidity to. So no, now we want to see some kind of more liquidity to sweep, because our first setup got failed right here. Did not confirm. We did not get the confirmation.
Yeah, exactly. We have a sweep of the early enticement here, but then this structural liquidity sweep got used there. So
Yeah.
this sweep now, it failed. Now we want to see more liquidity being built and liquidity being swept before we enter another trade. So now we didn't get any liquidity sweep here. So here we have reaction to this demand here, giving us this flip zone. So we have this two option for liquidity sweep here. We didn't see any liquidity sweep here. This supply held here. We didn't get liquidity sweep. So the flip zone held without sweeping anything. So that is why we didn't take this trade. Okay. So that's already. Let's see what will happen here. Coming from this supply chain. Yeah. Let's see what the 15-minute looks like. I think the demand is holding strongly from this sweep of liquidity here. This demand is still holding. It's trying to price. Okay, what are you trying to mark? Okay, you made a sweep above this side. Okay. So can we see this as an enticement for this one? I don't think so. This is not a clean structural break to me.
Yeah,
What do you
price
guys
is
think?
just
Yeah,
price is just ranging.
can we use this as an enticement? Yeah. I don't think so. I like to see a clean structural break on the 1 minute time frame, then the sweep, then the confirmation. That's what I like to see, or on the 5 minute time frame. Yeah.
Yeah. For me, I would just consider that as a range, to be honest. So wouldn't trade unless I see clear confirmations.
Yeah. So since this doesn't have structural liquidity, so let's see what we are going to get after we sweep this out. Maybe we can get confirmation entry, but then from these,
Now,
yeah, okay, go on.
yeah, go on.
Yeah, we are respecting this daily forward demand. The forward is still bullish, right? Now the 15 minutes is pushing to the upside, maybe to take out this expectation order flow target here, because this is the weak eye on the forward time frame. So here we are just trying to play the internal structure of the 15-minute time frame here. So demand is holding here. Demand is still holding here. We have, since this is our forward structure, all these guys are supposed to be CPB, right? So now we have reaction here, we have pullback. Now we have the break. So I think this is going to go. We have the first reaction, then the reaction failed. So demand is holding on the 15-minute time frame. We have this. We have this. So I just want us to consider the both sides since price action is like this. So we are going to see if we can get confirmation here to short. Then if we come back down here, if we see any long confirmation, then we can take it. No structural liquidity. Okay, we start into the 15-minute zone. Let's see if we can get our entry model. Yeah, there's a question here. We have this low, we have this high, then we have a break here, right? This is the structure, right? But then we have this internal break to the upside. Would you guys consider this internal break, this break to the upside, this internal break as an enticement? Or you would like to see like a clean, like break here to the upside, then sweep of the low as our enticement? Or we can also use the internal structures. Or we can also use this internal structure for enticement. What do you guys think here? Can we use this internal structure as our enticement for this zone?
Personally, I want to see something cleaner, like you mentioned before.
Okay.
This could be like, this is a demand holding right here. And this was the structure break. If this is a structure break, demand holding. And then this could be sweep and break, something like that. This is the
Okay.
reaction and this is the sweep of the reaction, maybe.
Okay.
I mean, like
Let's
it's,
see.
I believe it's might be like too low in the leg to look for a long, unless, sorry, to look for a short, unless you see
Yeah,
a
right,
significant break to the upside.
right.
Okay, let's see what
So
price is doing.
we are looking for buys from this demand chain on the 15.
Yeah, yeah. We're
Yeah.
looking for buys from there. So that's
Yeah.
the reason we have to work with right now. So we have
Yo, bro,
reactions.
Obazz, where are you?
What do you say?
I'm asking Obazz, where is he?
Yeah. Let's see how we react to this supply. Okay, we have a break there. Without giving any significant reaction there, we have a break. Now we have a potential enticement here. Okay. No, this doesn't look like a break, not like a sweep. It's just breaking. Yeah. Now, would you see this as a sweep? Because now it seems we are holding demand here. Would you see this as a sweep or a full break? But we should wait for this high to go before taking any trade. What do you guys think? This is the last
Sometimes
cutoff.
this happens. If you see 1M like this on the 1M, this looks not sweep. But if you go to the 5M, it may look
Let's
like a sweep on the 5M.
let's see what's happening in the 5M. It's still a full body closure.
Yeah,
In
it's
the
still a
5M.
body.
Yeah.
It's not a sweep.
So maybe if we see this high go, then we can maybe do something. But for now, this is not looking like a sweep. Okay. I'll break to the downside. I'm gonna delete this.
Is this extreme holds right here on the 15M?
No, that's not the extreme. It's still the extreme. Yeah. We are still reacting to the extreme here. Oh, I was not looking at that. That's true. That's the extreme. Not really, there's nothing to, even though we want to take continuation entry, there's nothing to look at here yet.
So this will you see this as a sweep or not? This
Yeah, that's a sweep. Yeah, that's definitely a sweep. Even though we try to take this, it's gonna be a loss.
yeah.
Maybe for the
And we
continuation
have a
entry.
chain.
Well,
We have a
very-
chain from this supplier right here. This is in mitigated, and this could be the liquidity for this sell maybe.
Well, the thing is, if we maybe, if the 15 minutes is like this is just my own personal view. If the 15 minutes is like this, then we have something like internal, yeah, then we mitigate this 15-minute zone. If I'm going to be taking my continuation entry, I want to take my continuation entry. Maybe we see a fail, then we react to this. We are coming down to a CPB here. If I want to take a the continuation entry, I want to take it prior before this mitigation of this CPB, because this 15-minute CPB can cause a pullback, like a significant pullback before the push. So I don't like trading like continuation entry against a 15-minute zone, like it's a 15-minute CPB zone. Like example here, we have a valid continuation entry setup here. We have reaction, we have a sweep, but then we have a 15-minute zone here. See the way the 15-minute zone gave this big reaction, then continue to the downside. So I would like to see a 15-minute level to fail first before looking for a continuation entry. What do you think? What about you guys? Here we have a sweep, but if you guys want us to look for a continuation from this sweep, we have mitigation. in this.
Yeah, I would want the 15-minute low to go as well, but I think it's different people perspective. I would like to see the 15-minute low go before I look for a short.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just to be
Param.
safe.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So we still have this demand here. The demand is still holding on the 15-minute time frame. Here we have sweep here, demand hold. So we are resting on the 15-minute demand zone. So if this fails, oh, maybe this failed, then we can say, oh, this is going to be used as CPB. But now the demand is still holding. The other flow is bullish. We have respect of demand. We swept it a little bit, respect of demand. So the demand is still in control. So let's see how price reacts to the demand zone. What I do is it. Come in. Okay. Yeah. Fine. Yeah. Yeah, we swept this up there. The 15-minute chain. We swept this one. We swept the demand. Should we look for continuation here? Should we look for like LPOS failure on floor here, or we should wait for further confirmation? What do you guys think? Now we have the sweep of this 15-minute demand. The demand doesn't have structural liquidity. We sweep the demand here. Now we have reaction to the supply push. Initially, this is the LPOS, sorry. We have the LPOS. This was the guy that was responsible in breaking the LPOS. We didn't come back to it. So let's see. Let's
looks good.
Okay, we should take this, right? Is that what you're saying?
So you wanna take the flip or the extreme?
The flip is risky because now the flip didn't take any liquidity. So I would like to see what price
If
action does here. Maybe wait for further confirmation before taking it.
Okay.
Or should we just take it and cover the low?
Okay.
What do you think? Should we take it? But I think it's going to be too much. Let's see.
Here's the thing. Sometimes when this is a already liquidity sweep to the backside,
Okay.
so no need of this to sweep. Sometime it will go from here.
So enough liquidity has been taken. That's what you're saying, Param, right? Possibly.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, let's try this out. See how many pips. That's 4.5. That's 4. Let's give it 5. So should we risk 0.5 or we should risk 1%?
Go with the 1%.
0.5?
Let's do 1.
1.
Okay.
Fixed 1, bro. Now liquidity build.
Okay. Are you not seeing this as a sweep?
Yeah.
Well, we have a
What about
CPB.
this structural liquidity for this POI?
Okay, let's see.
Now hold on here. Now
Yeah.
now what do you think now? So this is in our sell point right now, and the 15 amp extreme is also holding from the backside. This is
Yeah,
should
this
we?
is we should. I think we should do. Okay, go on.
This is holding. This is a sweep. This is the chain on the 1M. And now, should we cancel this limit or we should go with the confirmation entry?
Let's see. Let's wait for confirmation entry.
Yeah.
So that we can see it clearly. I think we've tapped into the zone here. Let's just take the orange.
So you wanna hold that buy limit or you wanna cancel that buy limit?
Let's wait for confirmation. You know, if we've have multiple breaks to the downside, so and we've already shifted here, pushing to the upside. So let's see. Let's wait for confirmation.
Yeah.
Had it been it was something like this, then we have this break, then we have another break, we have liquidity, then it come back into it immediately, then we can take it. But now we have multiple breaks to the upside. Now we have another switch of our flow to the upside now. So taking risk entry from it, taking limit order from it is gonna be risky. So let's wait for another shift to the downside before. You get what I'm saying?
Yep.
See the way price just reached through it without. Let me delete this. I don't think this is gonna come back anymore. I don't think so.
Yeah.
Probably not.
Yeah, this is a missed entry. Oh, a missed entry. Okay. Now we should be looking for a continuation entry. Let's see what the 15-minute looks like. Well,
Can you show the 15M?
yeah, this is the 15M.
Okay.
Can we confirm this guy? Yes. Should we see how price reacts from here?
And how the 4H is looking?
Okay. The 4H, the demand is still in control.
Nice.
Let's see how price reacts here. Reacts to this zone. Looks like, okay, let me just refine it here. Okay. Price is coming back to the first one.
So I guess that was a chain forming above supply chain.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Look at this one. You mean this? Yeah. Our price is reacting to this zone. That's so liquidity below this demand. It's kind of consolidating here.
Yeah.
This is the structure. We have low, we have high, then we have something internal here. We have the break to the upside. Now we came back to this extreme, reacting from it. What do you think about this one? We have reaction to this supply.
And it sweeps that too.
Sweep that, yeah. Now let's see if we are going to break. Now we have a break. What do you think about this here? Should we wait for further? I would like to wait for further confirmation. Maybe demand chain here. Maybe chain here to take out the high. This is not significant to me. There's nothing here. Just like, you know. Nothing clear there. It's not looking clear.
Yeah, order flow is the 1 minute order flow as of right now is confirmed bullish, so I would take that.
Yeah, let's see. Okay, still respecting demand.
Okay.
And Param, you had the extreme mark before. What did you mean by that? Look for a setup when it comes back, or?
I just mark this sweep tab to the whole range right here.
Oh,
Okay, you mean I don't think it's respecting something that it's just reacting from this window of imbalance. Yeah, let's see how price reacts to this. Yeah. Okay, that's pretty aggressive. With our sweep. Coming back into this, yeah.
Pretty rangy, bro.
Yeah, confusing. Okay. Still breaking to the downside. Okay, let me refine this. Okay.
And what time of the session is this?
This is 1 hour into New York.
New York, okay.
Yeah. Keep breaking to the downside.
Yeah, now I think supply is in control.
Yeah. Same here. Let me just mark the 15-minute supply. Now we have the supply. Let me go to the 1 minute. Okay, this is the supply. Let's see how price reacts to this one. Or can we see if we can take risk entry? Yeah. We have reaction. Okay, we have a break. There's nothing.
So mark this area also. This one. Oh, sorry.
Which one? Which one?
The
This
extreme of
one?
the one. Yeah.
Okay, maybe we can sweep. We can sweep into. Let's just take this orange. Let's take this orange.
Yeah.
That's okay. Now the same thing again. This guy doesn't have structural liquidity. We want to see liquidity being built or liquidity being swept, something like that. We want to see liquidity being swept and taken before considering taking shots from this zone. Now we have a break. Yeah, this is very low in the leg to look for confirmation entry, in my opinion. It's very low. Because here we have reaction to this demand, extreme sweep. Now we are having a change to the downside. Again, we have reaction to this demand. Here, we have the sweep. Mitigating this guy. But it's very low in the leg to look for continuation entry.
Yeah, too low.
Yeah, too low.
I would have expected some sort of a bigger pullback after taking out this, but
Yeah,
I guess it hasn't.
exactly. Yeah, that's what I'm expecting too. We've built this entire liquidity. I won't like taking destination entry from it. It's very risky. Yeah, yes. Okay. Now we are heading towards the zone. Okay. Now let's see.
Put a sell limit in this POI. What do you think?
Okay, risk entry.
On that POI, yeah, demand is failing, and that is the extreme unmitigated supply, and we have inducement below
Right,
that
and then-
also.
Yeah,
Okay, let's try this.
it might be worth it. Yeah.
Okay. Let's put this out now. Now let's see how price reacts here. Here is this thing we have break. Okay. Okay. Nice. We got tagged in. Okay. Let's look for another confirmation entry. We have the sweep of this high. This is the last point of demand before the sweep. Let's see if we are going to validate that. No. Sold in. Sold. Now this sweep has been used. We want to see another liquidity being. Okay. It's another liquidity being taken. You, what do you think? Okay, it's not a significant, but let me just ask. Would you see this as a flip zone for this demand range, this buy to sell weeks here? That is here. Can you guys see this buy to sell weeks?
Yeah, I mean, technically it is, but it's so small, you know. Right.
Okay, we have the sweep. Now we have this prospect. We have this inside bar. Should we just try this one or this last buy candle? Sorry, last buy candle before the sell. What do you guys think?
I
That,
personally don't use any buy to sell wicks under 4H and rarely 15M.
Okay, let's
Because
just
that's
flip
like
that.
that's probably like a 10-second demand or supply zone.
Yeah, that's true. Because the reason why I was looking at it is because this is the only reaction we have before we break this low. So it's like reaction, like the flip zone to this. Well, let's ignore
Yeah.
that.
That's what I was saying. Like for the flips, I like to see clear candle reactions.
Okay, that's nice. Okay.
how the 15M looks.
You're still reacting to this extreme here.
Yeah,
Sweep
that's
this.
the sweep. That's the also sweep. Could be the sweep of this
Yeah.
whole thing.
Yeah. Okay, you mean this might be the sweep of this low?
Yeah.
To go higher. Yeah.
Well, that's true. This is the structural leg here. We have the push, now we have the sweep. You could have looked for a long position here. Okay, even if we are going to look for longs, there's nothing.
Let's see.
Oh, no, we're not paying attention. So this is one single week sweep on the 15-minute time frame. Okay, we broke the last point of demand, but we've respected it the first time. Now this is the question. You see here we have the 15-minute time frame, which means we swept this structural high here. But on the 1 minute time frame, we have multiple candles. Now, is this still a valid last point of for more liquidity sweep? Well, we already have another liquidity sweep here. Okay, let's go by the rules of the sweep has been used here. So we have another liquidity sweep here. So let's see how that plays out. And we are respecting this extreme supply now. Okay. This zone looks very interesting because we respected this. We swept liquidity above this high. This was the last point of demand before the sweep. We gave reaction to the last point of demand. We chained with this. We also have this zone. Now, should we take this?
How many pips is it, by the way?
See. That's 3 pips.
Okay.
Should we just let's cover this eye? Let's take it, maybe cover this eye. But this we have one position opened, which is
Then
It's
we,
not
the other
breaking.
one is not breaking here.
You gotta break even first,
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's not
For
breaking.
the
Yes.
first one.
Yeah.
or you can
Okay,
front
then,
test this.
okay.
You can
me
leave it
open
on there
this.
just to see if it works.
Okay, let me open this back and let's front test this one. Here we have inducements.
So now can we go the break even for this one or not? The first one.
We should break even on the
I
first
would-
one.
Yeah. What do you think?
Okay.
I'm asking.
Here, well, if we come back up here, I don't think we should come back up here anymore. Even if we are going to come back up, this guy should hold the price.
And the 15.
Let's
Shadow,
break
what do you
even.
think?
There's not a clear 1M break even zone other than the IRL to the left. So what's the 15 look like?
Okay, let's see. This is the 15-minute time frame. We have a sweep above this eye. Okay. Let's look at it for a second.
Yeah, you could. I mean, you guys got to decide.
According to the protection, we should go for the break even.
Okay, let's break even on
Yeah,
this one.
because this is also sweep on the 15M, looks like a sweep from the demand side, and it could.
Okay, you
react-
mean you mean this guy. Yeah, that's true. Okay, let's also see how price reacts to this zone also. Maybe we can edge the sell
Yeah.
position.
I reckon even if you were to go break even, if the price was to come back, you still go for that entry,
Yeah,
won't you?
exactly. That's
Yeah.
what I'm saying.
Yeah, exactly.
Even though we take this, we didn't get a tag. Okay, let's see if we can take continuation entry here. Nothing. Is this a sweep? We have a break here. Right, we have a sweep here. Then we respected this range coming from this. Maybe reacting to something near this flip zone. What do you guys think here? This flip zone doesn't sweep anything. It's likely to be used as
How
liquidity.
the 5-15 minute, how's that 5M, how's the 5M looking?
Yeah, this is the 5 minutes. But then if we okay, go on.
Yeah, go on, bro.
Yeah, but then if we are coming from this zone, if we are rejecting from this zone back to this zone, I'm not gonna take it. This is just my own personal rules. I don't know about you guys, because now we are reacting from the 15-minute zone. So if we react from this 15-minute zone back to this zone, I'm not gonna take it.
Right.
Okay, respected that. We have reaction sweep here, but very low in the leg. We have reaction. We also have a sweep. This is the reaction. What do you guys think of this entry? But we are in this 15-minute zone. We are still in this 15-minute zone, which might be very risky to take continuation. To take 1 minute continuation against this 15-minute zone. What do you guys think?
This looks nice. This one looks good, better than this. This is better than this.
Okay. Let me just signal that.
But from this zone, everything is risky.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
From this,
it
because we're
might,
reacting. Okay, go on.
yeah, it might be on its way back up now, you know.
Okay, let's see how price reacts here. See how price reacts. Okay. No, I don't like this one anymore, to be honest. You know, because now the 15 minutes giving reaction. I don't want to.
Which session is going on?
What do you say?
It's still New York, right?
Yeah, still New York. Yeah. This is, we're already late in the day. This is this is 3 hours into New York.
And what are we exactly targeting with the first one?
The low? 15M low?
Just this low or the what of the 15-minute? Okay.
Yo, for this one, because the 15 minutes is bearish, we should target this low. Or maybe this demand, because if we look at this price action, originally the 4-hour time frame is still bullish. The 4-hour was bullish. Now we mitigated the 4-hour demand here. From this candle, we mitigate this candle that mitigated the 4-hour demand. So we have this unmitigated demand from the 4-hour that was changing from the 4-hour demand. So this candle, this demand can give us something. So we should target this. In my own opinion, I don't know. Maybe we should target this low, because this low failed to break this high. This might be weak, but for my personally, I'll target this because it's coming from the 4-hour demand, and the 4-hour is still bullish.
So will you do some partial after this low or not?
How many hours is it gonna be? Let's see. Let me open this up to see.
Yeah, I want to take some partials actually. I personally.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Oh, yeah.
I think it should be more than 5 hours, I guess. Yeah, let's take something out. Let's take something out here. Maybe. Okay, yeah, it's more than 5 hours. Okay. That's not
If it
the price. The price is here now. Should we take something now, or should we wait for the price to close well below it? What do you guys think?
Yeah, I would take some partials, to be honest, you know. At least
Well,
then if it goes against you, at least you
yeah,
paid
what I'm
yourself
saying.
something.
Yeah, that's true. What I'm saying now is the price is now here. If we take the partials there, it's not going to be the exact point we want to take the partials.
I see.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It already pulled back. Yeah.
Yeah.
go to the 1M. Let's see the 1M bearish candle, how it looks. Let's play, bro.
No, it's gonna keep going up. Yeah, now the 15 minutes has failed. Okay, let's see if we can get continuation share. Yeah, let's forget about that. Should be content with
And
the
the
first
1 minute
yeah.
order flow is still bearish.
Yeah, still
Yeah.
very sure.
Yep.
Yeah, we sweep this liquidity here from this eye. We sweep liquidity from this eye. This is the structure. We have push. This never
We
broke below
reacted to
it, so
this
this is the structure.
right here.
What do you say, Param? What do you say, Param?
See this sweep, this flip.
Okay, you mean this zone?
The chain, yeah. This is building the chain from.
Yeah, it's changing from this flip.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying. And also sweep some
Should be.
liquidity.
What is the liquidity you're talking about?
It's taken the liquidity and
It swept this liquidity, this structural liquidity, yes, swept it into the flip zone, giving us the supply chain. Well, if price comes back into it, let's see, then we are going to know what to do with it.
But first take the partial at that low, bro.
Okay, let's take partial now. Before price start. How many partials should we take? How many percent should we take off here? Should we take 50, 75, 80, 90? What do you guys think?
I don't know. I'll just go for 80%. But, you know, open for
What
discussion.
about you?
Yeah, maybe 75, 80.
Ja, what about you?
Yeah, sure. 75, 80. Yep, somewhere there.
Yeah, Chilla, what about you? Why you guys not contributing? We have 10 people here. Just have 4 people contributing. Why are you guys not contributing?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
should be
you guys can unmute and talk. It's all right.
Yeah. Should we take 75 off?
Yeah, 75. Yeah.
We should set take
Yeah. Let's
75 could be
Okay.
better.
Okay. Let's take 75.
Bro, I
Okay.
don't like talking when Degens are talking.
Yeah, we've taken 75 from this position. So here, this is a 50-minute zone actually. But the 1 minute time frame is the 1 minute time frame.
Now,
Another block is this one.
now mark the 15M liquidity PY. What about that? To the
What is
upside.
the fifth? Which one are you talking about? We
This
didn't
one,
sweep
bro.
anything. Okay, you did
This one.
sweep. Okay.
So Param, we could potentially chain from there again, right?
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
That's true. Yeah,
Potentially, we don't know, but
we could come back. We could come back here and push to the downside. But then we have this supply here that we can look at. Okay. Looking interesting. Okay. We didn't sweep this high, so we didn't sweep this high, so that's not a valid entry. It looks like it wants to hold, but whatever. Okay. Okay, we are holding supply from here. We are holding this supply chain. Or should we try to take something here, or should just leave it? Because here we have a break of structure to the downside here. This is a potential enticement for this zone above to mitigate this. This might be inducement to mitigate this extreme. But the demand is supply is holding from here. This one is holding.
yep. I like that.
Yeah, this could be. What about this?
Which one? You mean this one?
Yeah. This demand gone and this demand go. And this is enticement. What about this area?
Okay. We have a reaction sweep. Well, let's try it. But I don't like reaction sweep from the extreme. I like to see it with the continuation entry. But let's see. We missed it from there. So let's try it now. We have reaction to this demand.
also, Param, like, do you go for any sort of liquidity, like, or just structural liquidity? What's your take?
Bro, what to say? A structural liquidity is what I looked most times.
Yeah, because this looks like a subtle sweep to me. You know, and I would rather have some sort of like, let's say, some sort of structural liquidity sweep before looking for something like that. But let's see what happens, because I usually look for structural liquidity rather than like inducements or like subtle sweep. But let's have a look.
Did we take this?
What do you think, Obazz?
You know, because
How
we
the
already have we've secured something from this position where we can take the risk. Yeah.
let's go.
Yeah, let's try.
Let's try.
Let's go.
Yeah, let's try it.
Oh, bro, we are learning, bro.
Yeah.
That's
Okay,
it.
let me
If
Every
it's
loss
not,
is a
this.
every loss is a lesson.
yeah, for sure.
Let me extend this gap. Should I put 1% on this or should we reduce the risk? What do you guys think? Should I reduce the risk or I should go 1% on this one also?
You gotta ask Param on this one.
Param, what do you think? Should I go 1% on this one or should just lower the risk?
Go, bro. It's up to you,
Okay.
Obazz.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see what you want. Let's see the 1% risk. Let's see how we go. Let's see how it goes. Okay, now we have a full break of structure, so this is looking good. We have inducement out of this one.
Yeah.
Now it's creates another inducement. Whoosh! That was quite aggressive. You see what happened here?
Let's
Now
go.
we respected this zone.
Yep, that's
This
sweet.
liquidity period, this you have a sweep here.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, now this eye might go. This eye might go. Let's see. That's a loss.
Ah,
Well, that's a loss.
Guys, also while we are on this trade, a quick question. Do you guys usually use like 4 hour to for the structure to decide on the structure, 15 minutes for the order flow, and then 1 and 5 minutes for execution? Or do you guys like play on the 1 minute like more often than 15-minute trade ideas, like order flow ideas? How do you guys do that?
Yeah, for me, okay, go on.
Personally, I also like to take 15-minute entries, and depending on where it's at and whether it's swept or not, and it can work out pretty well because with the 1 minute there's so much commotion, right? So in
Noise,
that
yeah.
case, you'd probably like to take the 15-minute. But on the 1 minute, if it's not if it's not from the extreme or if it's not looking clean, I don't really like to touch it. Because with 1 minute, there's so much stuff going on compared to 15-minute. So yeah, that's
Yeah.
how I trade at the moment. It also depends on the pair. Some pairs I even go down to seconds, which is not necessary, right? But just to
Wow.
clarify the 1 minute if it needs to be. But yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think personally, since we've taken this
what
course, I'm not going to look into any. Okay,
what we did wrong in this trade?
what do you say?
What we did wrong in this trade?
Yo, I think maybe
were-
we should have waited. This is
I think we were in the 15M demand area. So the sell from the demand could be risky.
yeah, maybe because we are still reacting to this, but it was already failed, but we just swept below the zone, so I think it's still holding. Maybe we just swept below the zone. We use the zone as structural liquidity to continue to the upside.
Yeah, it could be a sweep. Yep.
Yeah, so let's see. Let's just hold the first position we are in and go with that. Now we've come back to this extreme. No, me personally, I'm not gonna take anything again.
Not yet, at least. Yeah.
Yeah, now we push it back. We're chasing back to our entry. What are we reacting to here? Okay, that should be a CPB. We have a sweep. No, that's. Well, this is late in the day. This is almost market close. This is
It's spread hours, right?
Yeah, this is
It's
really
not
late in
9
the
o'clock at
days.
night. Yeah, spread hours, yeah.
No, this is not spread hours. This is Friday. We are backtesting Friday at the moment, so the market is gonna close very soon. Whoa, this is what is happening here. We have a sweep of this structural high. We have a sweep of that structure, and now we are switching other flu bearish.
That's the flip, so reacting there.
Yeah. Maybe we should have taken something there, but market will almost close. So let's just hold the first position we are in and look for another trade on Monday. I think that's all. Let me skip the price. It's Monday. Okay, this is Monday. Yeah. Okay. Still very
This is
bearish. Yeah, we still have this demand to play with, but
yeah. This red box is very Asia session.
yeah, this is 7 o'clock in the morning. This is London Open. Okay, no,
Oh.
this is 6:30 in the morning in London. Now this is 7 o'clock. This is
6:30
London
Frankfurt.
Open. Yeah, this is 7 o'clock in the morning. London, Frankfurt Open. Sorry, this is not London. This is Frankfurt
yeah.
Open. Yeah. Now we are in this bearish leg. Still, the supply is still holding on the 15-minute time frame. Supply is still holding.
How the 4H
So
is looking?
Yeah, 4H. Yep, that's it.
okay, yeah. The 4H is still bullish. Still bullish.
And this is on the this candle reacting from that candle, whole candle,
Yeah.
4H.
Yeah. This will be big. It's too big. Okay, let me just keep refining it. The more we mitigate into it, let's keep refining it soon.
And
We
should
can
we close
now
the
that
first
we
trade or not yet?
yeah, you
What
can
do you
close the
say?
first trade because we have reached the target. Yeah.
Yeah, this demand. This demand also swept this liquidity. So we can still come back into this. Sorry, we can still come back into this demand, and we have this window of imbalance above here. So let's see. Let's just put the take profit above the window of imbalance here.
Let's go.
See, let's dive into this price action here. We mitigate the forward demand here. We have reaction to this supply, right? Extreme of reaction leg, then this supply failed, right? Came back, we swept this liquidity, we respected this demand, then we break to the upside. So this demand is very significant because it's coming from a forward demand. So here, should we look for consolidation short, or we should just, wait for price to build up? What do you guys think?
For the shorts, I would wait for that low to go and then look for a better setup after a pullback, maybe. Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see if we got this this structural sweep and
Oh,
1M
okay.
shift.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
If we
Let's go
find
to the
nice set.
one. Yeah, there's a setup there, but it's very low. Like we're almost at the low. So this is a reaction to this demand.
Yep, flip right there, sweeps as well.
Yeah, we have a sweep. It's also coming from this chain from the top. So price might respect this and go to the downside, but then it's very low. Oops.
Yep, takes it out.
Yeah. Let's see if we're going to get a sweep of this high. Then really
15M has no structural liquidity, so it could sweep the high, I think. Let's see.
yeah. Yeah, can we use this gas structural liquidity break to the downside here? Because let's wait for the 15 minutes. So
Fast.
let's wait for the 15 minutes sweep. We don't also have to take anything here. It's very. Now we've taken out the low. Yeah. Now we are pushing to the
Did you see
downside.
what?
Okay.
This sweep, structural sweep.
Yeah, that was all I was saying. So can we use this guy as structural liquidity? Yeah.
And this was the flip buy to sell
Yep.
wick.
Yes, sir.
Respected the buy to sell wick and gone to the downside.
Yep.
Yeah. Yeah, that was what I was saying the other time. But can we use this guy as structural liquidity? But you don't have to take everything. You can see everything.
Yeah.
Yeah, so now we have another zone. Okay. Our first trade is almost at TP. That's 13R. Okay. Now let's do some surgery here. Okay, because here we have a sweep here. You're trying to mark something, Para?
I was looking for the reaction here.
Okay. Well, everything has been mitigated apart from this guy here. The extreme here. Everything has been mitigated. We have mitigation. So everything has been mitigated. So let's see what's gonna happen here.
This is also sweep right here.
Okay. What are you trying to mark? Okay, we have a sweep here. Is that what you're trying to mark?
No, backside. Go to the backside.
Okay.
Yeah, this one. This high.
Okay, yeah, you mean this one?
This one, bro.
Yeah.
Mhm. And we just swapped that.
Yes. Yeah, we said that. Well, that is the latest structural liquidity. That is the latest structural liquidity. So that's true. The latest break on the 1 minute. Yeah. Now we sweep the. We have this first level respect. Now we're reacting to the supply. Should we take this one? Market execution. What do you guys think? I'll cover this side. Or if
Have a look at the 15. How the 15 looking.
How about the 5M?
still have this guy here.
Yeah.
There's some mitigated demand supply, so we should be careful taking anything here. Very risky. The price might still come back to this on drop.
Right.
And even if we are going to do the structural liquidity concept, now this is one bearish leg on the 15-minute time frame, right? The 15-minute doesn't have structural liquidity here. So if we are going to look for structural liquidity sweep, it should be within this leg, not within considering liquidity within this leg. Now all these guys are entering liquidity for this push.
Exactly.
So we shouldn't, we shouldn't be looking at this for structural liquidity. We should be waiting for a new structure here, taking, because this is a different leg. This is a different leg. Yeah, so let's see. Yeah, it might work out, but okay, now we have a sweep. Let's see if we're going to break to the downside. Okay. It works out. If we took this trade, to give us room to break even. It's gonna be a break-even trade anyway. So let's see how this refined zone reacts, because this was the one that swept liquidity from this high. So Or let's use the 5 minute zone because price might not come back to the 1 minute zone.
Yeah, right.
Okay, let me ask you guys this. So this is a valid demand zone that it's trying to shift from, right? On the left. And would you guys have looked for a long possibly here or no?
Not really,
Not really,
because
right?
because now this is a 4 hour zone. It has not come back it has not come back to this. This is the 15 minute zone. This is
Oh,
the
it's not
4 hour
at the
zone.
extreme yet. Okay.
Yeah. So even if we're going to look at something here, we have to see the 15 minute shift first before
Right,
taking
right.
anything.
Okay.
But I think, in my opinion, if it's reacting to something like this, yeah, I can look for longs.
Right. We didn't
Obazz,
take this out yet, so
Yeah.
Obazz,
Param, what do you say, Param?
I am saying, can you take this whole black candle, which took this flip liquidity, the whole candle?
you could mark up the whole thing, you mean? Right?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah, the
okay,
range.
okay. Yeah, let's
Or
shift our. Let's
little
shift our. Yeah, okay, man. Yeah, let's see.
okay, so it's from that supply.
Yeah, respect data supply. And, now we are pushing to the downside. Okay. Oh, I think if it's
TP.
okay. If TP the first trade. Now we have this supply again here.
Yep.
Since we have hit that demand, have we? No. Okay, fine. I take it back.
Okay, yeah. Let's use this. Let's use this. We've already hit the demand here. Let's see. Let's see how price reacts from there. I want to set up the visibility. Yeah, let's see. Well, whatever. We know we're in the zone. So
Mark the alpos.
I'm in the zone.
Yeah.
The pause before the mitigation, you mean? Because we didn't sweep anything. Well, I see people using LPOS before mitigation, but I don't like using that stuff. I like using LPOS only if we have sweep of liquidity. I don't like using it before
Okay.
mitigation. It looks somehow to me. I don't know. I don't know you guys. I don't know. Maybe you guys use it. I don't know. But for me, I don't use it.
Yeah, what does the 5 minute say?
And
This is
15
what
M.
5 minutes. 15 M is still bearish.
Yeah, I'm still short biased. I wouldn't look for a long now.
Hmm.
I would at least want to see like the sweep of that low.
The sweep of this low.
No, from the left.
The demand
Which low?
That
range.
15 minute
Yeah, demand low.
demand low. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Because the supply is holding low should be weak. You're right.
Yeah,
Yes.
true.
Let's see how
Supply is
price
holding.
reacts here.
Yeah. Would you count this as a flip or not? This one.
This one. Yeah, it's a flip, yeah. Sure, it's a flip. Okay. Now we have reaction here. Reaction failure, reaction to react into the not seeing anything yet because this is still bullish. Push up, push down. Sorry, push down, push up. Just still respecting the demand. So this might still give us a new high. Okay. Now should we look at this? We have it's very rough. The price action is very rough there. It's not clear. Yeah, but we have a sweep there. Okay. I'm already marked it. We have the sweep. All this respect. This respect. Coming from this chain. Okay, let me just mark the range. So what do you guys think of this trade? Should we wait for confirmation here or should just,
Yeah, because this low was not broken by a
Yeah,
body, I would
yeah,
see
this is-
this as a sweep to like go
Yeah.
up high.
Yeah, that's true. Nah, this is definitely a sweep. See, this is the aggressive push.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, a sweep. Yeah. Nice call, Joe. Okay. Now we are reacting to this extreme POI, extreme of the extreme. So we have two options: either we sweep this zone or we respect this zone. Nothing yet. Well, should we use this style used the other time? Structural liquidity. This one swept liquidity. We can use this push up, push down. Structural liquidity. You should take something here. Cover this eye and target it low. What do you guys think?
That is
Should we
a
take down?
valid setup, yeah.
Okay, let's try this because these guys are mitigated here. Let's cover this eye. Then targets this low.
Obazz,
Okay.
how the 15M looking like?
Plus still in control. Let me delete this one.
Okay, okay. I also mark that this one.
Which one? This one?
Yeah,
This one above?
yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that one looks actually better. Wow.
Yeah, we have a break here. We have, there's nothing. We're just respecting this supply. Not so much. See? Didn't really, it's one thing we're gonna you held the supply. Okay.
Sorry.
We have reaction. We have a sweep of liquidity here. Respecting the chain from the top. So we have this zone. What do you guys think about this zone for the continuation?
for me, that might be that bit. Wouldn't that be that bit too low in the leg?
Yeah, we're also reacting to this one.
Yeah, that's the only thing that worries me. Yeah, too low in the leg.
Yeah, and also we are reacting to this extreme of this structural push here.
Now you can, Obazz,
Okay.
what do you see for longs now? Because sweep, chain, sweep,
Yeah,
this is
and possibly, yeah, that's a POI for longs. Yeah.
Okay, should we use a limiter or we should wait for further confirmation? What do you guys think?
I think we have two sweeps, bro, and chain. No need of confirmation here.
I think it's enough, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
And I guess take out the short on the,
I should take out this one.
yeah. If we're gonna
Okay.
long.
Okay, let me delete this one. It looks risky though.
No break on the 15-minute yet, right?
Yeah, it looks risky because this low is still weak on the 15-minute for 15-minute time frame. Now we are yet to mitigate this refinement. We are just playing off of this one. So well, let's see. Let's try it. Now we have adjustment for this one. Yo, looks very risky. Whoa.
Damn.
Yeah.
Oh, we lost. It's fine. It's fine. Start the
It's
game.
fine.
Can I say something?
Yeah, we're already late in the day, so okay, no, we're still. Yeah. Can still take trades.
Someone wanna say something?
Yeah. Go back to M1 and I show you something.
Okay.
You see, here we block structure to the downside, making this structure long. So its liquidation happened, and then to me this was the point before liquidation. Price came and reacted to it. The reaction didn't sweep any liquidity, so I could take the extreme supply that caused the whole liquidation, the whole PBFA or the whole failure of this point before the liquidation, and this would have been a trade to me, a swap trade. Yeah, that's my point.
Yeah, well, the thing is, the way the entry model we are using is we want to see early enticement, right? We want to see the sweep. Then we want to, do the confirmation here and continue the trade. But here, we tapped into this 15-minute zone, right? If we are going to use this as a break here, we've already swept this liquidity and we've pulled back. So this liquidity has been used. We want the liquidity to be built and swept before we take another trade. So here we didn't have any liquidity being built and sweep here. So that is why we didn't take this zone. Had it been we have this multiple breaks to the downside, then we sweep this high, then we have this kind of confirmation afterwards, then we can take this. But here we already have this pullback and this push. So this liquidity above this high has been used for this pullback. So we want to see further liquidity build up and liquidity sweep before taking trades.
Okay.
Here, what am I doing? Trying to delete it. Yeah, now we've tapped into this 15-minute zone. Well, now we take something this one. Yeah, can we look at something here? Now that we've tapped into this 50-minute zone here.
Hmm.
Look at something there. We have reaction to this supply. All right, reaction failure. We respected this guy. We sweep this guy into this. Okay, this is a reaction to supply. Reaction swept. Now we have a break to the upside. Yeah, what do you guys think about this? We have window imbalance above. What do you guys think of this one? If we're going to take something there, we should cover this low. Yeah, what do you guys think of this trend?
I think just the fact that we're at the extreme, it makes sense if you're gonna long, but I want to see a little bit of more development since we're looking at on the 1 minute. But if we cover the low, there's a chance that it might not take us out if this is the valid demand that we could long from.
Let's see. This is 9 pips stop loss, bro. Well, should we try it? 9 pips. If we're going to target, this is gonna be our first target. That's for
Chad, are you here?
Yeah, I'm here.
At what point would you start looking for longs in your with your strategy?
What's the 4H look like? I had to see like a 15-minute change of character, and
It's
then
early, right?
have a clear demand taking over.
Yeah, what we are doing right now, the 1M point of interest area and 1M entry.
Yeah.
And what's the rule? 15M POI and 1M entry, bro.
Yeah, this is what we are doing now. You see, now we have mitigation of this 4-hour zone here.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, right.
Yeah, let me delete this 4-hour zone so that we can see it clearly. So we have reaction to this supply, extreme of reaction leg, failure, then we have the sweep, then we have the break. So we are currently taking a trade from this liquidity POI. We're trying to
Nice.
confirm
Yeah,
this liquidity POI.
right. This
Yes.
is right.
Okay,
Yeah,
and we
this
covered
was-
the low, so okay.
Yeah, we've covered the low. So let's try this. Then we're going to take maybe scaling to have a good 7%. Okay, maybe that's a liquidity. Okay. Yo, that was very aggressive. That was a very aggressive push. Oh, that's a loss.
Yeah.
That's not a loss right there. You know, maybe we should just wait. We should just wait for liquid.
Higher time
Things
from
to
Just
shift.
wait for.
demand control. Let's wait for the higher time from demand control.
Yeah.
Yeah, let's either look for like a 5-minute or 15-minute and
5
hold.
minute, yeah, at least 5M.
Yeah, I would rather use 5M as well.
Now it took us out. Now it's pushing to the upside.
Yeah, so that was in sort of like a,
Okay,
don't know, could still come down.
I will break
Yeah,
something here. You know what? This is, we are late in the day, so let's trade the
Skip.
next day.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. We have taken something here. Okay, this is 8 o'clock London time, so it's very late in the day. Yo, see the way this trade could have. That's sad. Now I think we've shifted now. We have reaction to supply, mitigation, multiple mitigations. Now we have this one. We have chain from here. And we have this guy. Now,
Can you see the 4H?
so far a check. Now this eye looks weak because now this eye failed to break this low. Now the 50-minute has shifted. Now we can, and having in mind that the 4-hour is still bullish. So this eye should be weak, or maybe this guy has liquidity to take to the upside.
Yeah, this is still an unmitigated daily PY. Maybe
Yeah,
this
yeah,
is
yeah.
building liquidity.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, that could be true.
Yeah. Let's see.
Yeah, but for now, we've tapped into this refined 50 this
Mark
liquidity
that
PR.
15M. Mark that 15M chain from the upside.
This one,
The last unmitigated one.
this one. Okay, you mean this one?
Yeah, liquidity PY. From where we took the sell. From the upside also.
What is the
This one.
chain? We don't have any chain. This is the okay. This is the last chain here. We also have a chain here from this sweep. We have a chain from this liquidity sweep here. Mitigation.
This not good because of this trend line.
Okay, let's use this one above then. Hope we don't have any news. Okay. Now we are building inducement for this one. Okay. Now we tapped into it during London. Now we have the enticement here. We swept it. We've used the liquidity. Now I want to see for the liquidity sweep. Okay. Yeah, okay, let's see. Okay, there's this thing that Tricky was explaining. You see, here we have structural liquidity build up here. We swept this structural liquidity. Then we broke the last point of demand with this week. So we have our zone, we have our demand zone here, but we swept this zone, but we didn't close below it. Okay, yes. Never mind. We closed below it with little. No, it's working. I think it's
holding.
Yeah, it's holding. Yo, maybe we should have taken that. Maybe we should have taken that. I think it's not gonna break the eye. Okay, reaction sweep. No, never mind.
Mark that unmitigated chain. This
is inducement, maybe. I think the best thing we can do now is to, confirm this one. Let's see what the 5 minutes is going. This is a 5-minute zone. See that? In the 1 minute, we have this flip zone, we have this extreme.
Yeah.
So let's mark the 2 and confirm the 2. Let's see how price reacts to the 2. Okay, now we've tapped into this 5-minute zone. It's a flip on the 1 minute. So what should we do? Should we take? Okay, let's confirm it. Okay. Wait, should we wait for sweep, or we should, just wait for reaction and break?
Uh,
Now we have a break to the upside here. Looks like a sweep, but
Sweep, yeah.
since
Yeah,
since
this low has not broken this supply. It just swept it. Might just carry down, 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 sweep this. Bang. Not sure. Let's see.
Yeah, we could
Yeah,
sweep the
yeah.
flip, yep.
Now we sweep the flip now. Now we are here to tap into this zone. We barely tap into the zone here. Well, let's use this. We swept this flip here.
Do you want?
So let's
Are you gonna
see.
put a trade on? Are you gonna put a trade on, or wait for like further confirmation?
Now, because now we're already in a 5 minute zone. Price might not even come back to this zone anymore because it's already in the 5 minute zone. It can just push on, So we can confirm this from this sweep. Maybe break the
Yeah.
last pin of demand and break. And if we're going to take an entry, maybe we should cover this low.
Yeah.
Okay, we've taken that. This is the last pin of demand. Now, what do you guys think? Should we take a trade here, or we should wait for flow?
Well,
So
if you
this
were
is
to wait,
also
sorry,
this
go
is
on.
also structural liquidity, as you mentioned. This high goes. This was the structural low according to that,
Yeah,
and this
yeah.
sweep Alpos failure looks interesting, bro.
Okay, let's try it. Should we take the candle? Should we take the open of this sell candle, or should take the 50%?
How many pips is
Oh,
it?
that's also, yeah.
It's 5.7 pips.
I would take the whole thing if I'm gonna take it, yeah. Or we can
Like,
make it smaller too, yeah.
Would
let's
any one of you
give it-
guys, now that we have swept let's say we have swept that, broken that high, and God, where is it? Yeah, swept this. Would you wait to see if this demand hold before looking for something like that, or would you?
Yeah.
Are you happy to take it?
Like a floor.
You are right. You are right. Yeah, that's why I'm gonna say
So
we
wait,
should
Yeah.
wait for at least one flow.
Okay, let's wait for flow. Let's wait for flow.
Yeah.
Well, what even we take this
That's
trade, we would have get tagged in here. Now it's looking very aggressive, to be honest. Okay, now we have the floor, but it's not looking like a good floor, to be honest. Not looking like a good floor.
Let's see what happens next.
Now we have this zone here. This should we
So
take this and cover this low?
if it makes some kind of liquidity, then we can go with that buy to sell to buy to VIX.
Yeah.
Now it's look good, but it will never come back.
I don't think it's gonna come back. Maybe we should have taken the first one.
yeah, once it swept the flip, yeah.
Yeah, so we have two types of confirmation. You have this break, you have the sweep, we have this flip zone sweep. We're already in the 5 minute zone. So well, let's see if it's gonna come back. Okay. Well, we have reaction to this flip zone, push up. Yeah. Okay. No sweep. Might get swept.
Oh damn, bro!
Ooh.
Damn.
Why did
Yo,
not expect?
I think this is the window of imbalance here. Well, I think
Oh,
it's just gonna play
bro,
with the window of imbalance, I guess.
So now,
Should
should
we
you
take
go?
should we take this?
Yeah, that's
Should we
what
take this?
I'm gonna. Yeah.
Let's delete this. That's FOMO, to be honest. That's 1%. Let's try 1%. What's happening? Or should I cover this low?
We should cover the low technically, right? But
Okay, let's get what it done.
So according to the floor should not gonna go.
lower.
If you put your
Oh, you mean we should cover just
for
this
that,
low, right?
yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Okay.
So we
All
have
right.
liquidity. What do you think about that? We have a liquidity, we have a floor. So we should not break this if our trade is right. What do you think?
Okay, let's try that.
Yeah, that's the floor,
don't
so
want
it
it-
shouldn't break it. Yeah. All right.
I don't want it to tag yourself down, bro. Okay, you're not in the
Alright.
trade. Whoosh! That was insane. Let me just shit this, take profits.
We could have
shit,
TP'd if we
shit.
didn't move it.
That
early.
was insane. I wasn't expecting that, to be honest. See, this is why it's good to capitalize to this we don't balance with the demand zone or the supply zone. See how price just respected it, even though imbalance and go.
In live market, we would have missed it from talking, right?
Yeah, exactly. Let's
But,
break even now, or we should just leave it open. We should break even.
Break
definitely.
even, yeah. Well, we still gotta see. Ooh,
Whoa. What's it coming back? Let's see. Can we take something here? In case price wants. What do you guys think? Because this price looks like it's gonna come back.
Oh,
Ooh.
How's
Yeah.
how's 5 minute looking?
See what the 5 minutes. 5 minutes looks like.
Hmm.
mhm.
Okay, interesting.
Oh,
Yeah.
that is a weak guy, to be honest. That's a weak guy. It's
Bro, you
weak.
mark that area.
Which
This
area?
one, this one. Show that area. This one.
This one?
Yeah. This is still
That's
an
not the one.
unmitigated.
Yeah.
And this could
This could be a structural liquidity for this. Yeah, that's true.
now put the sell limit there. What do you think about that?
Yeah, okay, let's try
So,
this.
Buy limit, right?
Five.
Yeah, buy them. Let's
And
cover
this
this
is
low.
from the liquidity chain.
Yeah, that's from this chain to the upside. Let's see. Well, then maybe price is trying to respect this gap, the floor.
Yeah. Let's see.
Let me place this one. The bar. Oh, that's a limit. Sorry. Then maybe we should confirm this guy from this sweep liquidity here.
Where is the stop loss of
Woo!
the where is the stop loss of the limit,
There
bro?
you go. There you go.
Where you put the stop loss?
What do you say?
Where you put
This
the
is the
stop
stop
loss?
loss. This is the stop loss is below this low. I cover. I should do what?
I think you should gonna do this
Param.
below this low.
Oh, I was just trying to be safe, I don't want it to come. Well, let's confirm it. Yeah, I put it below this low to be safe.
Yeah,
know.
okay.
Now respecting demand.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
So
that
much
is sweet.
Looks like an early enticement.
That's true. That's right. We have the sweep. We have the break of LPOD here. Sorry, the LPOS.
Yeah,
Is this really the LPO? Yeah. Yeah,
Yeah, I
but
can't
this
see
is
which is,
this is a sweep. This is a sweep, not a break. So this is still a floor. This is the floor.
Sweeping a lot, bro.
That's still the floor.
How about the
Okay.
wick here? Can't see it due to the box.
let me close this so that you guys can see it clearly.
Yeah. Okay, that's better.
Okay, now respecting demand.
Yeah, looks risky.
Respecting demand.
Looks risky
Let's wait for
now.
Looks like it's
Can I
ranging.
bring
It's
to the
swept
upside?
again.
Bro, just go
Yeah.
for break even now.
You mean now? Let's wait a little bit, bro. Okay, let's break even and take this guy. Because this is still respecting this low, so should be fine. I still see all this as first level respect. As far as we don't break below the first sweep, I still count everything as first level respect. So what we should have done here, because this is the first sweep of this early enticement, but the second sweep didn't close below it. It closed below it, but not too much. Then we respected that and start pushing stuff. Tricky has explained this. He explained this in one video like that. He said, if the first sweep of this liquidity, we have the first sweep, then price came back here and then closed below the first sweep, then we can, take the trade. Yeah. What should we do? Should we break even now?
What do you think?
Yeah, I think we're about to break this high
Yeah.
anyways too. So yeah, why not?
Okay. Let's take this scaling in case. What do you guys think of the scaling? Yeah. Okay, fine. Let's try it. We are breaking even in the first place. So the worst thing that could happen is just one more loss. that's the worst thing that could happen. Let's try this.
All right.
What do you guys think?
Have we covered the low?
Yeah, this should be respected. We already swept this low multiple times, so I don't think this low should be validated. But let's give it a little room to breathe. Then
Cover it by a pick. Yeah, that's fine.
Yo, we get tagged out from our first position.
Yeah, because that was moved to break even. Yeah.
Oh,
It's funny.
Why hasn't this been tagged?
It's not tagged?
it will be tagged.
Keep playing.
Keep playing, yeah.
Yeah, should have been tagged. It's not
Yeah, you are
showing
tagged,
tag.
bro.
I'm gonna
You are
say
Yeah.
tagged.
keep playing.
I've been
Play.
tagged, but it's not displaying. I don't know. I should have
It
been
will
tagged,
display
but
one more.
We're gonna play one more candle. Sometimes it takes like 2 candles to register.
3
Okay,
candles, maybe.
Or 5.
Sometimes
That's fine. Looks like it's gonna come back.
Sometimes
It's like
happens. It's not gonna tag you, and it's just gonna go. Sometimes something
slippage
like this
happened,
happens.
bro. Obazz,
Yeah.
slippage happened.
Is that a slippage? You see, it's not. It doesn't register, and it tagged us out from our first trade.
We gotta tell FX replay about this one.
Well, we still have this demand that we can play with. What do you guys think? Chaining from this to the upside, this orange. We can take continuation, maybe. Because I don't think it's gonna come back here anymore. I don't think so.
Yes.
Now they kind of look pretty aggressive now. Let's try this one. But why? Well, let's see. They've been tagged in the first one. Okay, can we break even now?
Yeah.
Second trade. Or should we tag this
Why?
one? That's
Yeah,
cheating
bro.
from FX replay. The candle went tag, but it didn't tag. Why?
Yeah.
Is that take profits? Okay.
Really nice trade, bro.
Okay. We should break even now, definitely. Okay, we've taken out this eye now. Should we take something out of the position now, or we should just?
I want to hold it. What do you guys think?
Okay. Sorry. So up to this high, this is the full take profit here. It's not, no, that's not the full take profit.
Ma-
This is the
Maybe
full take
take
profit
something
again.
out at the supply chain. Well,
Yeah,
Param,
yeah.
what do you think?
For sure, bro.
Yeah, let's take something there. Yeah, from this supply chain.
Or right
Um,
after the liquidity too.
Yeah, I'm worried if price is gonna come back after this push, after this break. You know, we're already taking this structural high now. Price can do something like this, come back to this demand down, then boom to the upside. So that's what I'm worried about here. Let's see. Well, if price comes back, maybe we're gonna do another confirmation, maybe. Okay, it's looking good. Should take something, to be honest. Shouldn't be this. It
Can you
shouldn't be.
zoom? Can you zoom out a bit, yeah, so we can see what's happening towards the left? Well, what's
Should take
happened?
something from this. Yeah, let me just.
I go to the 15. How's the 15 of 5M looking?
Yeah,
The
go
50
off,
minutes,
yeah.
the 50 minutes has already break structure, right? It can pull back all the way to the downside now.
Zoom out a bit. Let me see what's happening to the
Now we
left.
are respecting
Okay.
this supply chain that was there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's see.
You know, let's
Might be a
we already
it
own
might
the
be a
position.
yeah, it might be a CPB to go back to the demand again, and then
Let's try. Let's see. I know we're gonna sweep this. This is very. Oh, it's coming back. Now it's coming back.
Let's go away.
So
Bang,
I would look for another trade in this area.
Look, something like this is gonna tag us out. Maybe we should have taken something here. Well, it is what it is. So FX replay, we should have screenshot this thing and send it to FX replay. This is a good this is the best position we should have we can hold.
That limit, yeah, it was.
You know, I don't know why he didn't tag us in. Let's see if we are going to survive this. I don't think so. No, I don't think so.
Is it? What time is it?
We still have a chain from.
Is it 10 in the morning?
Yeah, it's still 10 morning, yeah.
Yeah, keep this all.
Yeah, let's see. Okay, maybe now. This is a structural liquidity. And I still come back down here for this zone. For this chain that was coming from this sweep. What do you guys think? Should we take another position? It's gonna sweep this low. That's we're gonna sweep this low. Oh, it's holding. It's holding. It's holding. Wow, it's holding. Chill. Well, I hope we don't have any news in the afternoon. No, we don't. Well, let's see.
Yeah. Click on that. Is it economic calendar? Or
no, we don't have any news. We don't have, no, we don't. If we have any news, it's gonna put it somewhere around here. Yeah, something like this.
Oh yeah, okay, yeah.
Well, it's holding, still holding. Huh.
I would just rather take 75, 80% at 5R or bus and just let the rest run.
Yeah, what do you guys think? Should we just let's hold it since we're holding it? What do you guys think? Since now we survive this pullback, let's see if we can get it to the upside.
Did you see this?
Okay, greediness. Reaction.
Yeah.
What am I doing? Reaction sweep. Then we have this guy. This
And we have
zone.
also the flip zone. Mark
Yeah,
this
I was
flip
coming
also.
from this. Yeah, let's see. this one more because it fits the entry model. Just sweep that here. Reaction to supply. We sweep that, we print the upside. We have this inducement above it, and this flips on inducement. This flips on the sweep liquidity, so it's this sweep, so we must sweep it. Now the flip zone has inducement though, so we must still hold. Okay.
Bro, I was
Should we take
marking that.
something?
Did you see that?
Which
This
one is it?
inducement for the flip zone.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I said the flip zone has inducement, so you might hold. You might hold. Yeah, we sweep all the inducement. Now we have this guy. Well, this guy can still be used as structural liquidity for the zone below, so it's very close to the zone below. So we are still not safe yet. You guys are not saying anything about partials. Should we still hold it?
Yeah, let's do it for
Up to you
Lee.
guys. Yeah.
He wants to hold it to the moon.
Okay. Now we build inducement. Inducement. That's the fake POS to trap it, I guess. Okay, it's holding. Maybe we are going to use this guy as structural liquidity for this one. Okay. Okay. I don't like it if it's ranging like this. So edge the position because now it's looking okay. Pushing.
How many hours is that? I think it's like 5 hours now.
Yeah, I think it's more than that, I guess. Yes, 6 hours.
Are you confident not to take any partials at all?
Well, let's hold it. We are going to look for continuation.
If this is CPB, then
Oh, we should just take
should
something out
go,
from this.
but
Yeah.
Because if this one failed, then these two are gonna fail. If this one failed, then all of them are going to fail. Okay, let's see. Let me try one candle on the 15-minute time frame. Should I try one candle? I should just go back to the 1 minute time frame if I play the price.
I think 15 minutes fine. Yeah. Let's see it.
Should I play the candle from the 15-minute time frame?
Yeah, try it.
let's
Give it a try.
Let's
Let's see.
Downside to it is we might have one boom to the downside. That's
Only-
the downside to it.
Only one big candle
President,
to the
let's-
CP and to the break even.
Yeah.
we should use the 15-minute, right?
Yeah,
Yeah,
just go on the
let's
15
see.
minute.
Okay. TP. 6 per hour. Okay. Pushing to
Nice.
the upside. Nice, looking nice.
Where we are closing this?
Do
To
we
the,
take it out
supply
yet
chain?
or
Now
Yeah,
we are
bro,
closing it. We are closing it here. This is
take
the full
something
TP.
bro now.
yeah, now probably, right?
This is the full TP 27 hour.
Yeah, we could do that.
Yeah, we could do that. Yeah, sure.
Maybe take 50 and hold the rest.
Okay,
The
let's
high
do
is
50.
looking
Yeah,
weak.
okay.
Let's
Yeah,
let's
It's
I
worth the
agree with
risk.
that.
Yeah, worth the risk.
Yeah, just take
let me
something.
play. Let me play it on the 1 minute.
But we're in a good spot, so yeah.
Yeah. So let's
Yeah.
now you can play the price aggressively now, I guess.
What time is it? It's
Ooh.
night. Spread hours. Is it?
It's coming back down, bro. Coming
Damn.
back down. That's nuts. Okay. I think everything is just gonna fail now. I guess. Should fail.
Looks like
Now this is a shear. Okay, still going.
Guess you never know, huh?
Yeah, I see. It can still come back to the stance because now we have a
Yeah.
break to the upside. This is a structural low. You see. Well, we've secured something, so we shouldn't be afraid anymore.
This is March of this year?
This is like November of last year.
Oh, November.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, so we open London. You have the sweep of this guy. This is the first liquidity. We must sweep this liquidity, push to the downside, take this liquidity and push to the upside. I guess. Okay.
You know what? Since it's November now that you mentioned it, I want to hold it all the way. Because I remember
Okay.
G was pretty bullish. Yeah. But...
Oh, really? Now we sweep this flip zone here. We sweep this flip zone, respecting this demand chain. This is the from this supply. So we have reaction, push, extreme reaction, then we sweep it now. Now we pray to the upside. Let's see. Okay, it's coming back down. Oh, we have news here.
Oh, we got news. Okay.
Yeah.
It could still mitigate from there. Yeah. Go higher. Yeah.
Yeah, we should look for continuation. What are we doing? We should look for continuation here. Now we have a break. Okay, let's see what we can do with this demand.
Yeah, Param, yeah, that was a nice one here. You're right. Yeah.
Yeah, we should have taken this one. Yeah, that's true. Should have taken that one.
And there's a internal supply failing, could have taken it too, right?
Yeah. Oh, this is New York. Wow. We have another break to the upside. Should have taken this too. Yeah,
that was the one.
Yeah, it is what it is. I just play off of this and push it upside. See what I'm saying? See what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
It's pushing aggressively like this. It's just gonna keep respecting whatever demand in the middle and keep pushing to the.
You wanna?
Ooh, that's
take
TP,
it?
bro.
Oh, TP. Okay. Wow, nice.
That's 27R, bro. 27R.
Imagine we had the first trade still. I mean the
exactly.
buy limit. Yeah, right. It
Yeah,
would have been up
yeah,
40% if we only took 50% off. But
this is 22%. Let's see how much the trade. That was 18% trade. 18,000. 6,000. $686. Sorry.
Brilliant. Good trade, Lance.
yeah, nice one.
Yeah, that was insane.
You guys want to call it a day or what? I'm about to head off, but I could leave the Zoom on.
Yeah, I need to put my daughter to sleep as well.
Obazz, you okay with that? We could
Yeah, no
do another
problem.
one
Yeah,
next
yeah.
time. Haram too.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. Let's call it a day. And yeah, you could screenshot the result, maybe put it on the group as well, if you can.
Okay, no
right?
problem.
And I think Cheddar went out to pick up his son right now as well. So yeah. All right, we'll call it a day and do it again next week, probably.
Yeah, okay.
Brilliant.
All right. Have a good one, guys.
Yeah.
Yep.
Nice talking to you guys.
Lovely, nice. See you later. Bye.
Yep. Bye.
Right. Take care.